Welcome to South Delhi Flows Property Vlogs. So today I will be showing you a 400 square yard property in GK-1. It's a first floor and 4 bedroom and a separate driveway for parking. Let's have a look at this property tour. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do like and share the videos for many more properties like this. Thank you. This is a 410 square yard property in GK-1 C block. I'll be showing you a first floor 4 bedrooms with a separate driveway, separate exclusive car parking. This property has dedicated earmarked car parking for each and every floor. This is the lift lobby. Now we are at the main entrance of the first floor. This is the servant quarter adjacent to the apartment with an attached bathroom. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for many more properties like this in South Delhi. Now let's begin with the property video tour. So this is the main entrance foyer. As soon as you enter this property, it gives you a very open feeling. It's a very spacious and well-designed drawing room with wraparound balconies. It's a very spacious 4-bedroom apartment, about 2200 square feet area plus balconies. This is the main front balcony of the property. It's a very spacious wraparound two-way balcony with a lot of styling added to it. A lot of woodwork has been used in this apartment along with ambient lighting to add warmth to it. The interiors of this property is absolutely classy and one of the best ever done in South Delhi. So this is the first bedroom of this luxurious apartment. It's a very spacious bedroom with Italian flooring, a balcony attached to it, and super luxury interiors. Large UPVC doors and windows have been used to give in and out ventilation throughout this property. This property is located in GK-1, which is among the best localities of South Delhi, and a lot of people have been asking us to show properties in GK. It's a brand new property done by one of the best builders of South Delhi, and it is currently available for sale. It's a very airy and well ventilated house with a lot of natural light coming into the house. Now let me show you the super luxury bathroom attached to this bedroom. It's a very well done bathroom with a lot of Italian stone cladding and super luxury bathroom fittings. This is the main shower cubicle. A very well designed vanity area with a lot of storage underneath it. Now let me show you one of the highlights of this property. Adjacent to the drawing room, there is a beautifully done open balcony kind of setup area. It's a very thoughtful open setup area to enjoy with family or friends over a cup of coffee or a drink. A lot of woodwork has been used in designing this magnificent open setup area. Now let me show you the kitchen of this flat. It's a fully modular lavish kitchen with all the appliances already attached to it. To provide ample air and natural ventilation, a lot of windows has been used. This is the main lobby area, which can be used as a dining area also. This is the second bedroom of this 4-bedroom flat. This property has been designed by one of the top architects of South Delhi. So everything from false ceiling to Italian modular cupboards, everything is of top quality. Now let me show you another magnificent bathroom attached with this bedroom. To enhance the beauty of this property, every bathroom has been designed in a different manner. Expensive lights and one of the best bathroom fittings have been used throughout this property. So this is the main shower cubicle. Different contrasting stones have been used to enhance the look of it. So this is the third bedroom of this first floor apartment. Very spacious bedroom and absolutely stunning and pristine interiors. This flat has everything one needs to live a luxurious life. So this is the attached bathroom. It's another incredible bathroom. It's a very spacious bathroom with all Italian stone cladding. The builder has used a lot of money in designing this super luxury apartment. All the bathroom and sanitary fittings are branded and of one of the world's best companies. Now let me show you the rear balcony of this property. It's a beautiful rear balcony of this property. It is very spacious and very amazingly designed. As a trend, normally only the front balconies are wider, but this property also has a rear super luxury spacious balcony. And it's a fully secured and covered balcony that can be used in any weather. Now let me show you the master bedroom of this property. Wow, what an amazing bedroom. It is very spacious, well designed and has two balconies attached to it. Let me show you the bathroom attached to it. It's a lovely bathroom with stone cladding in a geometric pattern. So this is the main shower cubicle. Stunning bathroom fittings. The builder has used beautiful round mirror with glass finish vanity and sliding glass wardrobes. It's a fully modular wardrobe with built-in LED lights. A lot of storage spaces has been given under the vanity for bathroom essentials. This is another balcony that is attached to this bedroom. I hope you guys are enjoying South Delhi property tours. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for hundreds of more properties in South Delhi. If you have any questions regarding this property, you can always post a comment. And you can always call me up at this number 9999004511 to ask for a site visit of the same property.